Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So today, guys, look at this hair now. We are going to call this hair high fade. Do you understand? High fade. So the first thing you need to do is sterilize your clipper, which I have done. You comb back the hair, the beards, comb back the hair to see how the hair grows and the hair texture. Please, if today is the first time I see my page, my channel, please don't forget to follow us for more, because you are going to learn a lot. This page and this channel is all about theory and practical. Everything we do here, we detail it in a way that even a layman will understand. You understand? So today I don't want us to waste much of our time. I don't want this video to be too long. So let's just dive into it. After you have done the sterilization of your clipper, you comb back the hair the way the hair grows. Make sure you follow it accordingly. Then you start the high fade. The first guideline is going to be what? It's going to be skin. How do you do it? You know this one, you are familiar with it. I've taught you guys this aspect. So the first thing you need to do is to put your clipper under skin level by bringing the gel upward. Please, if you see anywhere that I'm not doing it very well, please correct me. And if you know that you know all, you are a professional, please, if you see my video, just pass. This video is for beginners and intermediates. Do you get? So I don't want you to come and saying that this, that. Let's forget it. So if you see anywhere that I'm not doing it well, please correct me. A teacher is also a learner. I'm not perfect and I can never be perfect. It's only God that is perfect. So like, comment and share. Follow for more. You will never regret being part of this family. So the first thing now is to create the first guideline, which is going to be skin. By joining your blades together, join it together by raising the gel upward, let it be close. You turn your clipper on. You can turn your hand like this. You can hold it like this. You can start it like this first, or you can raise it up first like this. You know, the hair is a little bit bushy on the downside, so you raise it up first. Once you raise it up first, then you turn your hand downward and skin it. Please take your time and watch this video. See, I'm going to take it slowly so that you understand everything. Don't rush whenever you are watching something that benefits you, something that you want to learn. Take your time and share this video. It will not cost you anything. And once you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be notified that HUC High Universal Cut has posted. So after you have done this, make sure you take your time. Barbing requires what? Patience. If you don't have patience, you cannot be a good barber. Don't rush hair. Hair is very, very delicate, so you have to take your time. See, I'm taking my time because this is tutorial purpose. So take your time to watch this video. We are going to do it step at a time. So after you have created the first guideline, the next guideline is going to be what? The second guideline is going to be on low cut level. Pay attention very well. Listen up. You understand this? It's not a barber that have time to make tutorial to even detail it in a way that a layman will understand. So please, if you love what I'm doing, please share, let other people benefit, and follow me for more. Like, comment, ask questions. I don't want to die with what I know. That is why you see me unleashing anything that I know, any skill, any hack that I know, I will unleash it. Let's go. So the second guideline is going to be what? Under low cut level. How will you set it? Look at it. You bring the gel down, open it. Take your time. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, and you cannot be able to barb this hair, see, you have a dull brain, but none of my students will have dull brain. So you on it, you follow it, texture it very well. Don't rush it. Please take your time. See, I'm doing it. You know, sometimes you see hair, a very nice haircut they post, you be like, wow, they don't know the process they went through. This is it. If you love something practical, theory, follow this page. You never regret. So after you have created the second guideline, now listen. See where most of us make mistake. After you have created the second guideline, Remember the first guideline that you created, there is line there. How do you clean up? Look at this blade well. Look at how I'm going to set it. This is skin level. It's well joined together. So what you need to do now, is to open it a bit, open it small. Can you see it? I call it semi-low cut. Then you clean the skin, the line. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see I'm using the edge to remove the lines? So after this now, the third guideline. See, remember that this blending will not pass here. The third guideline now is going to be under step 1. This is step 1. It's going to be under step 1. Do you understand? For those of you that always say that I talk too much, I don't blame you. I'll keep talking too much for people to understand. It's not everybody that we all have different level of understanding something. Some persons, they don't even need you to talk. Once they see what you are doing, they've understood what you are doing. But some persons need you to talk and explain, which I'm doing. So don't blame me that I'm talking too much. And please, if you know you are not yet my member, under my membership perk on YouTube, please go and join my membership perk. That is where you support me. That is where you show your appreciation on what I'm doing. Do you understand? So if you are yet to follow, to join my membership perk, please do join, please. So after that one, you put it, the third guideline now, look at it. You put it on step 1. You bring the gear down, open the blade, open it. Let it be on step 1. Please take your time and watch this video. I swear you will appreciate what I'm doing. It's not easy to make tutorials, so please share, let others to learn. You open it. Don't let it to go up too much because you are still going to blend it. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see it? We are not yet done, but the blending is coming out, right? So the next one you need to do now is to remove this step 1. Use step 1.5. This is step 1.5. Use it to blend here. You turn your hand like this. You blend it like this. This step 1.5, you are only using it to create the shape of this high fade. You're only using it to create the shape of the high fade. Do you understand? You are using it to create the shape. So after you have created it finish, use your step 1 again. You take your step 1 again. You do it like this. See how my hand is moving? Can you see it? Hope you understand what I'm doing, guys. See how my hand is moving? Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Please make sure you like, comment and share. Share. That is the only thing you do for me. I just want other people to benefit from this. I want other people to learn from this. We are all learners. This video might help someone out there. So share, please. Like, comment, ask questions. See where, can you see the way I'm doing it? So that it will not create line. Can you see it? Can you see it? So after you have done it like this, make sure you are brushing down your hair. The hair that you are removing, make sure you are brushing it off. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Make sure you are brushing it off. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Now, can you watch very well? See, don't mind this side though. I just want you to use this side and get the basis, because anything that you see that I'm doing here, the same thing that I will do to the other side, but just get the principles, the basis, the rules, the way I'm following it, the procedures. Do you understand? So now we have gotten this shape now. Can you see there is no line? So if you do not blend it very well like this, if you hold it like this and be blend, it will be creating another line, and the more you are blending, the more it's going up. Do you understand? So all you need to do is you just hold your hand the way I did it. I hold it like this, as if you are brushing hair like this, so that it will not create line. Are you getting it? So after that, now still put it under your step 1. I still raise it up, blend it like this. Now we are about to remove the line now. Can you see it? Blend it like this. After you have done it finish, you still bring it down. That's why I told us that barbing requires your maximum attention and your patience and your focus. You have to be focused when barbing. Don't just wash hair. That's just sometimes you go out. Some persons will say that this barber didn't know how to barb, or this barber did not do it very well. It's because you were rushing. Take your time. That is why if you want to charge customer, charge him the amount that will be okay for you with the time that you are spending on his head. You understand? So after this one now, you remove your step 1. Look at what I'm doing. Once you have removed your step 1, you put it under low cut level by opening it. Hold your hand like this. Can you see what I'm doing? You see, everything is what? Calculated. Barbering is all about calculation. If you don't know mathematics, go and start learning it. Do you understand? Go and start learning mathematics. Because these steps that I'm using, setting it, is mathematics. My client is laughing. So after that, you carry your hand like this. You see, everything has its own time, its own minutes, its own seconds. Can you see it? After you have done it like this, finish, you still raise it up to blend it so that there will not be line. Please share this video. Please like, comment, ask questions, and any haircut you want me to make tutorial on, please just comment it. We are here to learn. This page, this channel is just for learning. We are here to learn. Nobody is above anybody here. That's why I told you that if you say that I'm not doing very well, please correct me. Let me learn from you too. Can you see what I'm doing? So after that, you put it on semi-low cut. What I told you that you just close it a bit. Don't close it finish as if you want to carve hair. No. Use the edge to clean up the line. Can you see it? Use the edge to clean up the line. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Please, if I'm trying, please give me a thumbs up. Just give me a like. Just give me a like. Share this video, please. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Can you see the neatness? Can you see the blending? So after you have blended it finish, the next thing you need to do now is to hold your clipper like this. Still put it under low cut level. You trim it like this. Starting from the bottom, from the nyash. From the bottom like this. Raise it up. You see? This is what we call a perfect high fade. I don't want this video to be too long because some persons don't have patience to watch something that they will learn something from. Barbing is very, very good. When I have time, I will make a tutorial and I will tell you things that you need to do. Maybe if you're having double mind in learning this work, you will take a U-turn. Your orientation will change. Can you see? If I did not show you from the beginning now, maybe later I use a very good quality camera and snap this and post, you'll be like, wow, but this is the process. This is how they go about it to achieve this. This is the process. That is why I told you that my channel, my page is all about theory and practical. I'll tell you the theory aspect, then I'll practicalize it for you to see. So a page like this, why won't you follow it to learn? I'm not begging you to follow, but it's your choice, but you have to. I love you guys, so we are going to stop it here. But I don't want the video to be too long. We are going to stop it here. So any haircut you want me to work on, please comment it. Please comment it. Let's do it together. So this is HUC high universal cut. Then if you want to trim the up, you know how to trim. I've taught you guys this one. You have seen it several times. Put your blade on low cut level. Take it slowly. Take it slowly. So can you see, guys? Is it not looking beautiful? Is it not looking beautiful? Please comment, share this video. I just want other people to benefit from it. So we are stopping it here. We are stopping it here. And I believe that with this little one that I just showed you now, you will be able to cut any high fade with confidence in you. So I think we have gotten the principle now, the basis on how to get this done. So don't forget to share, invite others, tell them about this page, let them come and learn, because here we expose all the secrets that which other barbers are hiding from you. I HUC, high universal cut, will never hide it from you. So I love you guys. This is it, simple. All this one that I'm doing is just miscellaneous. Do you understand? So we have gotten it. So I love you guys. See you in my next video. Join my membership pack on YouTube. Like, comment, and share. That's the only thing you owe me. I owe you to teach you everything you want to know. Share any secret in barbering that you need to know. Then what you owe me is to share this video, let other people benefit from it. Like, comment, and follow me for more. I love you guys.